this way. Oh, be careful. Be careful, we don't have insurance. Wow, you counterflow. You make ticket to the policeman.
No problem.
No problem. So may mga kasama tayo. Hindi siya Pilipino. Hindi siya marunong mag-Tagalog kaya sign language lang to.
Magsalita yun. Loloครับผม
Maloka laka bom-bom. Laka bom-bom. Let's go. Laka bom-bom. It's very good in Thailand. Very good. No English.
No English.
Wow. Dangerous. Dangerous. Be careful, my friend. Be careful.
Okay, no problem.
No problem. Wow, you counterflow. You make ticket to the policeman.
No problem.
No problem. Oh, very good. Where are you going, my friend? There. Kalapit ng kasama ko dahil tato, oh. Dami tato. We're here. Right there. I know the store. Over there.
Where?
Over there. I saw this earlier. Right there. Right there. Oh. Right there. Ari. Bahay ito magpatakbo. Natawa.
Sorry.
So. Yung sorry niya, sorry. Betamax. You know Betamax?
Yes.
Yeah. Make gilid, Betamax. Tabi. Oh, counterflow again. Side stand, my friend, side stand. Be careful.
Counterflow. We are here in Thailand.
Yeah. We're here in Thailand. Why not wearing helmet?
No helmet. No police.
No police?
No police.
No police. It's okay daw. Oh. Where are we going?
ไอ้นายมีขายกัญชาร้านกัญชาไม่มีเหรอแถวเนี้ยเอาเหรอมันมีอยู่แถวนี้ไม่ใช่เหรอร้านกัญชาไม่มีเหรอ
Hindi ko maintindihan ang mga pinagsasabi nila. Daig motor eh. Busy sila.
Okay, kapungkap.
Kapungkap. Oy, be careful, my friend. I don't have insurance. You know that?
No problem.
You have a lot of money.
No need insurance.
What? No need insurance. Hey. Hey, good evening, Thailand. We're here. No, that's parking lot. This way. Oh, be careful. We don't have insurance. Wow, very good hotel. Many girls there. What?
Many girls.
Many girls? No, I don't want girls. Oh, be careful. I am afraid.
ต้องครับไม่มีหลานจะมา
Bingin tinanuan niya, di siya pinansin. My friend, we didn't find what we look for. Puro tawa. Takot dito. It's delegates. Oh, counterflow again.
We need to counterflow.
Wow. Very good. Oy. Oh, you're so Be careful. Remember, no insurance. Remember.
No problem, brother.
No No problem.
We are here in Thailand.
In Thailand, no problem.
Yes, unlimited insurance.
Oh, hey, okay. Let's go. Ay, bet. My friend, very fast, very fast. Make it slow, my friend. Oy. We're here. Not here.
What's up?
Very thank you, my friend, because we're safe going back here.
What's up?
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you. You're not, ano?
Okay,
You're not
you're
speaking?
welcome, my friend.
Welcome. What's your name?
My name is An.
Ang kate mo. Pangalan mo pa, ang kate mo. Guys, napakagaling talaga ng mga kababayan natin dito sa Thailand. Kitang-kita mo naman. Nakapagsoli siya ng cellphone. iPhone. You lost your iPhone?
No, I know it.
No. Why? What happened?
No, I think I dropped from my pocket.
Oh, you're so lucky because Filipinos are very
Filipinos are
good.
very nice.
Yeah. Thailand also. Yeah. What is in Tagalog that totnakap? Tagalog in totnakap. Ano? Wala palang Thailand ng totnakap.
Ito ba?
Wala pala yun. Napakabait naman talaga. Salamat. Jasay salamat. Salamat. Yan. Kapong ka.
Salamat. Assalamualaikum.
Ayan. Kaibigan, you're not Thailander. You're talking to me Thailander earlier before. Pero napakabait pala ng natin. Kababayan natin. Hindi mo nagsuli siya, no?
Siguro.
Thank you, brother, dahil may napasaya kang Thailander. Hayaan mo Diyos ang magbalik ng kabutihan na ginawa mo. Ha? Thank you, brother. Thank you.
Ganyan dapat eh.
Oo, tama. No?
Pag hindi natin pag-aari, isa uli natin.
Yon.
Pag walang harapan ng paraan para maibalik. Pinasok ko yung SIM card niya sa cellphone ko para nakawagan niya. Basag eh.
Tama, galing. Yon, so, ang galing, natutuwa ko dahil, ayun o, di ba? Ang kabutihan kasi, out of nowhere, bigla-bigla naman. Alam nyo bang na-experience ko na nakapulot din ako ng nasa sobrang pera? Siguro mga 35,000. Walang pangalan.
Ano ginawa mo?
Hindi ko na sinuli. Inangkin ko na. Yun, so God bless you all. Ano pakiramdam nung nakapagsoli ka ng gamit tapos yung may-ari masayang-masaya?
Manggaan sa pakiramdam.
Gaan.
Magaan.